If you eat 1 spoon of raw honey every morning, this will happen to your body. We can easily say that honey is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It has been used as both a food and very useful medicine for thousands of years. 1. High quality organic honey is loaded with antioxidants. Well, you need to know that you should always use high quality organic honey. Because this type of honey contains high amounts of antioxidants such as phenols, enzymes and other healthy compounds, flavonoids and organic acids. Some medical experts claim that the combination of these powerful compounds gives it powerful antioxidant powers. 2. Honey heals wounds and burns. This healing method has been used since ancient Egypt, and many people around the world still use this amazing healing technique. In a recent review, almost 30 different wound care studies on honey were evaluated, and the review discovered that honey is extremely effective at healing partial thickness burns and wounds that have become infected after surgery. 3. Honey is much better than sugar for diabetics. Some medical experts claim that honey can help and reduce some of the risk factors which are common in people suffering from this health condition. Honey reduces the LDL, cholesterol, triglycerides and raises HDL, good cholesterol. 4. Organic honey can lower your blood pressure levels. We all know that high blood pressure is extremely important and dangerous risk factor for heart disease, and this super healthy ingredient will help you lower it. It's because honey contains high amounts of antioxidant compound which have been related to blood pressure lowering effects. 5. Honey can provide other beneficial effects on the heart health. Honey contains high amounts of phenols and other powerful antioxidant compounds. Well, many of these compounds have been related to a reduced risk of heart disease. The medical experts claim that these compounds will help the arteries in the heart dilate, and it will increase the blood flow to the human heart.